Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So I have a fun video for you today. Today I'm going to take you guys along as I clean and decorate my new dining room area that you see behind me. As I told you in the previous video, I am in the process of getting my daycare reopened, and we shifted some things in the house. So now the new dining room space is in my old office, and the daycare is going to be in the old dining room. So I wanted to take you guys along and show you how I got the space together. You did see me painting it in the previous video, and I finally got the space all decorated. Now, there are some things that's going to be changing in here in terms of decor and things like that, but that's going to be later down. This is just what it is for the time being and all the decor pieces that I have. I also have some new pieces in here, which I am super excited to share with you guys about, and I cannot wait. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the video, because I will be talking about the company that I am working with today for this awesome decor pieces. You guys are going to love it. If you are in farmhouse, modern farmhouse, or just want your space to be cozy and comfy and beautiful. Thank you guys so much for stopping by with me today. If this is your first time seeing my face or seeing my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning motivation, and lifestyle videos. So if that's something you are interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell twice so you don't miss any of my episodes. I also do have a newer channel, and it's called At Home with Shushana. Over there I do sort of the same things, but I definitely go more in depth than I do on this channel. So definitely stay tuned for all the cool decorating and cleaning motivation, and also for the new decor pieces that I am so excited to show you guys. I want to thank y'all so much for joining me today, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so while I am unboxing and giving you guys a little haul of this subscription box, I just want to talk to you guys about this wonderful collaboration that I am doing, and it's with Agrey. She owns the company Habitation Box, and it's basically a subscription box home decor company, and she also does like home decor services as well. So how it works is that you choose your box, and there are 3 different subscription based that you can choose from. So you choose your box, you get your box shipped out to you every first of the month, and shipping is always free with your subscription. And then once you get your box, you just enjoy all the beautiful content that is inside of it. She also has like individual pieces that is on her website that you can purchase individually as well, and y'all, they are absolutely beautiful. I definitely will be doing that because I already saw some pieces that I absolutely love. So the 3 different subscription boxes are, the first box is the Habitation Box Elite, which has 6 to 9 high quality items that are in there. And guys, I have seen some of these pieces on her website. I'm telling you, they are quality and they are beautiful, and the price is a fraction of the cost of what you would pay at your regular home decor store. The second box is the Habitation Box Original, and that has 4 to 6 high quality pieces in there. And then the third is the Habitation Box Mini, which has 4 mystery items that reflects each season. And as you can see, the pieces that I am showing you, they are of such quality, you guys. I just had to go ahead and start placing these pieces in my home because they go with my decor, they go with my style. They are not just seasonal, but I can use these all year round, and I absolutely love it. Y'all know I am all for the wood pieces, and it it just looks so beautiful in my home, and I cannot wait to take you guys around to show y'all what it looks like. So make sure you guys go to her website. It's habitationbox.com. I will leave all of her links down below, and definitely go ahead and subscribe, you guys, and get those home decor pieces, because what you would pay for them at the store will be completely it would just be so much more expensive than what you would actually pay to have it shipped to you. And each month is different boxes that you're getting, different pieces. So I'm telling you, it's absolutely gorgeous. And then, you don't have to run out to the store all the time you need something. You get your habitation box on the 1st of every month, and shipping is free. So you're not paying for gas. You're not paying for time to stand in the waiting line, waiting for your stuff to be rung up. You get this every month like clockwork. So definitely go ahead and head over to her website and sign up to these subscription boxes, because you will not be disappointed. You see the quality. I love this sign. I cannot wait for y'all to see what I do with it. So thank you so much, Kelly, for sending me these beautiful pieces. And as you see, I already started decorating my home with them, and I just love the way that they look. So definitely visit the description box below, where you will have all of Kelly's information and access to a 10% discount coupon code, where I will put it down here on the screen. Just go to Shushana 10 and you will get 10% off of your subscription box. So thank you so much, Kelly, for sending me these beautiful items. I absolutely enjoyed decorating with them, and I am enjoying them in my home. So let's go ahead and get back into this video.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
So guys, I absolutely am loving this space. My entire family is actually loving this space, and they are giving me such great feedbacks that they love it. It's a lot cozier and they would like for it to stay in the space. I kind of would like for it to stay in the space too, but the only thing is that it is a smaller space, so it definitely is a little tight in terms of the chairs and everything being pulled out to sit. It works. It's working for us, but it definitely is just a tad bit tight. Also, the lighting in here is so bad. As you guys can see, I'm trying to angle the camera in different angles and, trying to get the light and everything like that. But hopefully once we put the new chandelier in, that will take care of the whole lighting situation. But overall, I'm just loving the space. I love how everything just came together, and it's so bright. It's so cozy. It's actually brighter in person. It's because the windows are facing the camera. That's why it seems so dark. But I love it. I love it so much. It's definitely a lot more cozier, comfy. I cannot wait to decorate the space for the holidays. Fall is coming, and I have so many ideas for this space. So I would love to know you guys' feedback. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think about the new dining room area. I know it's completely different from what it was before, but it's just for a time. Hopefully it'll be just for like a year and a half, and then once we transition from the daycare in the house to where it's going to go, then we can bring it back into the larger space. But for now, I think that it looks absolutely beautiful, and don't mind the background. I was literally tearing apart my house to try to get everything shifted, but I love the way the space looks. So let me know down below. Let me know what you guys think as well.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you. Although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Death and be still, your medicine. Yeah, I need you. You light a fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death and me still your medicine. Yeah, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still.
Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Thank you for taking this time out of your busy day to watch my video. And if you made it this far, I am so grateful. Thank y'all so much for all of your love and support. Don't forget to check the description box down below for Kelly's information to her website at habitationbox.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. So thank y'all. I cannot wait to read your comments. I am anticipating all the wonderful feedbacks. Thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.